Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, looks like it is going to rain. Look at that. Yeah, but during my break time it was all there is no cloud during my break time around 12 o'clock, but now it is like that. I don't know. Yeah, the time now is around 2:15 because I sign out at around 2:10. If it is going to rain, I hope that I'll be at home by that time. Oh, actually 1:10 when I sign out. Yeah, because my roster is my roster is 6 to 1 o'clock. But normally I do also do the lunch service. But because it's not busy, yeah, I told him, chef, I go 1 o'clock. And chef said, yeah, if you are finished with the mise en place, yeah, you can go. And I finished with all the mise en place. That's why I can go. Yeah, I'm going home now. We are not going to the town center because yeah, it looks like it is going to rain. And you know, I heard in the conversation yeah, during the breakfast that there is a possibility of us coming back to the COVID lockdown service. If you remember last time during the lockdown, we are doing the breakfast like a room service. Yeah, so basically we plate all the food, the order, and we deliver it to the room. That is how the breakfast before during the lockdown. Yeah, before during the normal days without the lockdown, we do it buffet, normal buffet. And during these days, we are doing it like a la carte service. So we plate the order, and the waiter, they bring it to the table. It is raining now. I can feel the water droplets. I have my raincoat in my backpack, also my rain trouser, but I don't want to put it now because it's hassle. I am 5 minutes away from the house. Those are beautiful ladies. We are going this way. Yeah, like what I've said, there is a chance, there is a possibility of us coming back to the lockdown service. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. Today I finished at 2 o'clock. It was not busy today. Everything was smooth. But you know, there is a bad news because there is one new case of COVID-19 in here in Port Stephen. But he is already in isolation, and the people are being warned to be cautious, to be careful, to take care, because that case went to Salamander Bay Shopping Center. When I learned that, I went to check my phone if I went to Salamander Bay on that day, and I didn't. Oh, the water is very calm in there. Nice, but it is very cold. I am wearing just t-shirt and short, but I was actually sweating while working this morning. Yeah, this shirt was wet of sweat. I am going straight to the house, not anymore in the town center. It is now 2:30, and this is what I am going to eat today. I'm already heating the rice, and this is what we are going to eat. This I bought it from Woolworth, $6.32. I will just reply. Look at that, I have so many expired food here. This mayonnaise expired. No, this is cream expired. Oh, these grapes expired also. Yeah, when I was in the Philippines, when I was young, I rarely experienced to eat grapes. That is my favorite food, but yeah, only when there is occasion, only when there is party. That is when I was able to eat fruits. No, especially grapes. What else are they expired here? This cheese, maybe this is expired also. I will keep that. Oh, this empty. Parmesan. Best before December 25. I will keep this Parmesan. This is new. Oh, this milk. I use it once. I'll try to smell. Oh, I don't like anymore the smell. Yeah, I use just once when I eat this organic muesli. Also, yeah, just one time I eat that muesli. I still have more. That's it. The rest are good. Burn, but it's alright. I like it well done. You don't serve something like this to the guests, they will complain for sure. It's not golden. This one is brown, very brown. Oh, it's burn, not brown. Oh, just now I realized that I don't have rice. Yeah, I was about to take to open, but then I realized that it's yeah, it's arroz caldo. It's going to be a porridge. Yeah, because this is the leftover. If you remember the leftover rice, yeah, very small quantity. I put the water and to make it like a lugaw or arroz caldo. I forgot. Look at that. I was ready to put the rice, but I'm going to transfer that and then I'm going to cook rice. So it means that I need to wait for the rice to cook. Yeah, that's how I do it. I don't use dustpan because dustpan there are still some leftover. Yeah. You know, the floor is very cold. I'm going to put some my socks. If you never experienced the airplane, yeah, they usually give socks like this in the airplane. Look at that. It's 30 minutes of waiting. I can eat now. Oh, look at this. Look at these boots. Alright, yeah, it's look. Wait, tell me, what is the brand? Windsor. Windsor. I don't have the space in my backpack, so I'll put it here first. I keep it there, and maybe tomorrow I'll bring it home. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, that shoes, a pair of shoes is given to me by Rafael. He said he gave it to me because he bought a new one. Yeah, I don't know where I am going to use that, but yeah, it's good to have an extra shoes. Oh, there are many people there, what they are doing in there. They are just relaxing. And I sign out at 1 o'clock. We are actually closed today. I mean, there is no lunch service. I don't know the real reason, but maybe because of the COVID case that visited the Salamander Bay Shopping Center. Just to be safe and be sure that no guests will be infected in our restaurant, so that's maybe the reason why we don't have a lunch service. That recorded the COVID case here in Port Stephen as actually a visitor coming from Sydney. As of now, there is no other reports about that case here in Port Stephen, here in Nelson Bay area. Yeah, nothing yet. I hope there is no more. We are going to the town center, to Woolworth. We are going to buy garlic and onion. We are not going to the marina anymore. We are going straight to the grocery. Look at that. You notice that there is no more leaves? All those trees, they are color brown. Not so good looking without the leaves. Well, it depends on the trees. Because if you notice the other trees at the back in there, yeah, they are fully grown, beautiful. Oh, this is my favorite car. If I know how to drive and I am going to buy a car, that would be the one, Jimny. Too much. We're going to take this. This is just $1.50. 8 pieces. Also, we're going to take 2 pieces of this potato. This is $3.50 per kg. And we are going to take milk again. Yeah, I will make sure that it is not going to be expired or spoiled. I will drink it. Yeah, this is just $1.25. But we are going to look for lactose free. Okay, we're going to take this. This lactose free, $1.70. Just home brand. We are going to take one of this garlic, minced garlic. This is just $1.25. And look at this. It's ginger. We are also going to take one sugar, white sugar. This is just $1. Oh, look at that. There is one dog. They leave it there. Of course, animals can't go inside. Oh,